Good morning, students. Welcome all of you for the history class, and today we are going to study page number 50. The heading says Science and Astronomy. As I read for you, please follow. The Egyptian knew all about human anatomy and blood circulation. The Egyptian mummies are very well preserved despite being thousands of years old. They also knew how to perform surgeries and remove internal organs. They also studied the movements of heavenly bodies to predict natural phenomena. They counted years by observing the appearance of the Sirius star. They were also the first people to divide the sky into 12 constellations, thereby setting the foundation of the zodiac signs. They also devised the first solar calendar and concluded that a year has 365 days. The year was then divided into 12 months, each with 30 days, and 5 more days were added to celebrate festivals and special occasions. After the new kingdom ended, the Egyptian empire collapsed. Foreign inventions weakened the empire, and Egypt were conquered by the Romans, the Assyrians, and the Persians. Next heading it says Mesopotamian civilization. The Mesopotamian civilization developed in the fertile land between the two rivers, the Tigris and the Euphrates. The Greek named the civilization Mesopotamia, or the land between two rivers. Mesopotamian civilization is a story of many empires which emerged in this region. This area can also be divided into 3 different regions. They are Sumer, Akkad, and Assyria. Page number 51. Then here it says some important developments from 5000 BCE to 700 BCE. Here it says beginning of the Sumerian civilization. Then it says invention of writings, the wheel. Akkad conquered Sumer. Hammurabi creates his empire from Babylonia, and Assyrian empire is at its peak. Okay, let us study the first one, Sumer. The earliest known people of the Fertile Crescents were the Sumerians. They settled on the fertile plain of southern Mesopotamia and started farming by around 4000 BCE. Thus, villages and new cities came up. Some of those cities were Ur, Urak, Kis, and Lagas. Next, about Agad. After 2300 BCE, King Sargon, the ruler of neighboring Akkad, invaded and conquered the city-states of Sumer. He unified both Sumer and Akkad. He built the first empire known to history. Soon after his death, invaders from the Arabian deserts entered southern Mesopotamia and captured the city-state of Babylon. The Babylonians adopted and built upon the prevailing Sumerian culture. King Hammurabi, the greatest ruler of the Babylonian Empire, codified all the existing earlier law and carved a law code on an 8 feet tall stone column. The code begins by stating that the gods gave royal power to Hammurabi to protect the weak from the oppression of the strong. And it has 282 articles covering all aspects of life. Punishment were severe and were based on the principle of an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. The code prescribed different punishment to different classes for the same crime. However, it has laws for fair treatment of women. Around 1700 BCE, the Babylonian Empire was overthrown by new invaders, first by the Hittites and then by the Assyrians. Okay, so in the next class we are going to study about Let us study Assyria. Assyria had settled in the valley of the river Tigris by 2000 BC and built their capital at Assur. An aggressive and ruthless king, Nebuchadnezzar, revived the power of Babylon. His new Babylonian empire stretched from the Persia Gulf to the Mediterranean Sea. So in the next class we are going to study about the society. Thank you all of you. God bless you all.